ChatGPT and related artificial intelligence technology are disrupting the content industry, making it easier and more affordable for businesses to create and update high-quality content. It is a huge departure from previous content creation best practices, because it allows for automation of content creation. But that is not all. ChatGPT also supports the following. First, ChatGPT supports automated content generation, allowing for faster, more efficient content production at a fraction of the cost. This is particularly beneficial for businesses that may not have the time, nor the resources to produce content in-house. Second, ChatGPT's algorithms have been enhanced with improved accuracy and natural language processing, allowing them to learn from user input and produce more accurate content that reads as if it were written by a human. Third, ChatGPT has the ability to understand natural language, making it easier for businesses to produce content that is more engaging and relevant to their target audience. Fourth, ChatGPT allows businesses to interact with users in a conversational way, providing a more personalized experience. Fifth, ChatGPT is more affordable than traditional content creation methods, allowing businesses to save money on hiring writers and editors. This cost savings can be put towards other areas of the business, such as marketing and customer service. Sixth, ChatGPT is fast. It is able to generate content much faster than humans, allowing businesses to produce content quickly and efficiently. This allows businesses to stay on top of trends and provide their customers with more timely, relevant content. Seventh, content can be generated in larger quantities, allowing businesses to expand their reach. Eighth, all content can be automatically moderated, helping businesses maintain a high level of quality and professionalism. Ninth, ChatGPT generates content that is optimized for search engines, allowing businesses to rank higher and reach more potential customers. 10th, improved personalization and engagement allows ChatGPT to generate content tailored to specific customer needs and interests. 11th, ChatGPT delivers improved customer service by answering customer inquiries quickly and accurately. 12th, ChatGPT can track customer engagement with content, allowing them to make data-driven decisions about their content strategy. 13th, the open-source nature of ChatGPT allows businesses to customize its features and capabilities to meet their specific needs. 14th, ChatGPT can automatically test content to ensure its accuracy and quality, saving businesses time and money. And finally, ChatGPT can automatically distribute content across multiple channels, allowing businesses to reach more customers. These innovations and more is why ChatGPT is such a huge departure from previous methods and content creation best practices. It offers the ability to execute and complete tasks that were possible in the past, but only at significant expense. All of these features are why ChatGPT is disrupting the way businesses create content. Thanks to ChatGPT, content creators no longer have to struggle to keep up with the ever-changing content landscape, nor waste time and expense producing high-quality content. With ChatGPT, every business can create and update high-quality content quickly and easily, allowing them to stay on top of trends and provide customers with more timely, relevant content. It's for these reasons and more why it should come as no surprise that we want you to continue learning about artificial intelligence technologies like ChatGPT. In the next lessons, we will teach you how to set up a ChatGPT account and help you understand the interface. We will also show you how to extend ChatGPT with plugins and extensions. Once you are a ChatGPT master, we will work with you to create, host and market your content. But most importantly, we will show you how to make money, monetizing the skills you have learned. Finally, when the Build.Collaborate series is complete, you will see the benefits of encouraging others to embrace ChatGPT artificial intelligence technology. In return for your support, we will share $1 for each content creator you enlighten. We will also share up to 70% of tipping, advertising, e-commerce and membership revenues. Thank you for watching. See you next time.